Hey, this is Mike again. Just wanted to show one of the practices I use quite often when I'm developing apps. What you'll run across quite a bit in commercial app development is a login screen or registration screens with multiple fields, and not showing off the fields. This is pretty standard stuff here. I just got one text field, another text field, and a button. Got some focus nodes here and some text controllers. Focus nodes are set up to where this first one is focus node 1, focus node 2, and then a button focus control. And yeah, the exciting thing, or the thing that I think is pretty exciting, is showing off this ADB shell command that you can use. And this is just a Mac script file, .sh file, and I've added in these shell commands. ADB shell input text is one variation of it, and another is this ADB shell input key event. And I ran across these the first time many years ago. Let's see, this post on Stackoverflow came out in October 2011, so almost 10 years ago, no, almost 11 years ago. And it outlines a whole bunch of the key events to use, and some more information here. If you're going to use spaces, you have to use this %s when you're doing it. I don't have quotes around here. I guess maybe it's optional. There's a whole bunch of other things you can do with this ADB shell command. Push on the screen, swipe, long press, so on and so forth. Anyway, I'll link to this Stack Overflow page here. Also, I found this gist on GitHub. I think it's pronounced gist. Is it gist or gist? And this one also has the inputs with key events and all sorts of other ADB cool stuff here, but I don't want to go into that too much detail with that. So one thing I've found in my experience is that this behaves best if there's the cursor in the first field that you're going to use, or that you're going to put input into. So we've got this text, user login. We've got a 66 key event is the enter event. So because I set up this on field submitted, and then it changes the focus to the next field, the 66 will submit that field, and then it's going to go on to the next field. And then, so then we'll enter a password. We'll go on to the button, will be the last component in this form, and then 66 will then press the button. And in this case, just for testing, just delaying a couple seconds, then clearing the two text controllers, and moving the focus back up to this first widget here. So if I so on the command line, I can run this script, and it will enter in the username, password, hit login, and then recycle again. And again, where I found this really useful is if you're logging into the same, if you're testing a workflow, or you're having to log in through a password screen, and you don't want to use the keyboard, or you've got a bunch of different user accounts, maybe with different settings and profiles, then you could have multiple logins. User 2 could be a different person, and they can log in there. And it's great for a QA team and user acceptance testing, because they can you can set up these scripts for them and they can run them, and it just moves the process along a lot faster. So just wanted to share that. Thanks for your time. Bye.